Understanding Official Selection, a guide to film festival excellence. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both a badge of honor and a key to exclusive circles in the world of cinema and beyond. Official selection. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a film enthusiast, or just curious about the behind-the-scenes of film festivals, this video will shed light on what it means to be an official selection and why it matters. Let's explore together the significance of this prestigious designation. The term, official selection, refers to a film, documentary, short, or any other type of cinematic work that has been chosen to be part of the lineup of a film festival or competition. Being an official selection means that the work has passed through a rigorous screening process and has been deemed worthy of being showcased to the public and professionals within the festival. It's a mark of quality and recognition, indicating that the film stands out among numerous submissions for its storytelling, creativity, technical skill, and overall impact. Being an official selection comes with several benefits and opportunities. Firstly, it provides international exposure to filmmakers, allowing them to present their work to a diverse audience, including critics, industry professionals, and cinema lovers from around the world. This exposure can lead to further opportunities, such as distribution deals, collaborations, and even awards. Additionally, it adds a significant credential to the film and its creators, enhancing their reputation and opening doors to future projects. It's also a fantastic opportunity for networking, learning, and inspiration, as filmmakers can connect with peers and mentors in the industry. While the concept of official selection is most commonly associated with film festivals, it can also apply to other areas such as literature, art exhibitions, and music competitions. In any context, being an official selection signifies excellence and distinction, marking the selected work as exceptional within its field. It's a testament to the creativity, hard work, and dedication of the creators, offering them a platform to shine and be acknowledged for their contributions to the arts and culture. Being an official selection is a significant achievement that speaks volumes about the quality and impact of a cinematic work. It not only offers a platform for showcasing talent but also opens up a myriad of opportunities for growth, learning, and collaboration within the creative community. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and prestige of being an official selection, whether in the realm of film or any other artistic endeavor. Thank you for watching, and may your creative pursuits lead you to your own official selections in the future.